Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can use ChatGPT with TubeBuddy or with IQ YouTube extensions so that you can get more audience reach and views on your YouTube video. So that's going to be a step-by-step guide. In this video I'm going to just show you a theoretical one, and in the next video I will show you practically how you can do it. Okay, so first of all let me give you information how you can do this. Okay, so we are going to need ChatGPT for idea creation, script writing and automation logics. Okay, and we are going to need vidIQ or TubeBuddy for keywords and SEO optimization. After these two steps we can use Google Sheets, as well as we can use this Zapier, Notion or make Integromat to automate workflows. I have already uploaded a video on Notion. Okay, you can check my channel for this for a video on this Notion, how you can automate the workflows. Okay, and the next step, if you are using vidIQ or TubeBuddy, in vidIQ or TubeBuddy, search for your niche keywords. Okay, like if your niche is about, like our niche is about tech videos. Okay, so I have also created our videos like search volume competitions go from this vidIQ and the ChatGPT. Okay, so we have to collect the data like search volume, competition score, related keywords and the trending topics within our niche. Let's suppose our niche is technical. Okay, like we create videos about how to educations, something like this. The video that right now I'm creating has been also created with the help of these two tools. Okay, so then we will automate with the ChatGPT. Like you can copy paste your keyword data, like we have generated a search volume, competition score, related keyword, trending topics with the help of a vidIQ, and we will then copy that data and we will paste into this prompt. Okay, like I have the following keyword data from vidIQ, and then in this section we will paste the data, and then we will say right, generate 10 videos targeting high search volume but low competition topics, and then we will write format as video title, target keywords and suggested angle. So after putting this information, ChatGPT will generate us 10 videos idea targeting high search volume but low competition. Okay, so once you have video titles, use ChatGPT to write your scripts automatically. You can use this prompt for creating engaging script for your videos, and then you can also ask ChatGPT to create multiple variants for testing purpose. Okay, okay, and then you can also add timestamps or chapter titles for those scripts for the videos. Okay, then there's an important part which is about SEO optimization with the help of the vidIQ. So after ChatGPT generates your script and title, plug the title, description and tag into vidIQ. Okay, the title, description and the tag that which have been generated with the help of the ChatGPT, then you will give it to the vidIQ and use their SEO score, a keyword optimization tools, to fine tune your metadata. Okay, and after that feed their recommendation back into ChatGPT, like whatever the suggestions are done by the vidIQ, then copy the suggestion and put it into the ChatGPT. Okay, and ChatGPT will then revise it for better SEO, and then you can use Zapier or Google Sheet as well, and you can create an automated workflow, like it will upload your video with the specific title, description, tags. Okay, and then you can manually upload the video thumbnails as well, and that's how you can automate your workflow with the help of the ChatGPT and vidIQ. Okay, so that's all about how you can use ChatGPT along with the vidIQ. Okay, so in the next video I will practically show you how you can do this. Okay, so that's all from my side. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.